So hello viewers, today I'm going to show that how you can create a YouTube channel from A to Z. So before I want to say, if you are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel to get latest technology related videos. So let's start. So at first you have to open an window. From here you have to write on youtube.com. Here is your YouTube dashboard. From look at here, you have to sign in. So that you need an email address. As my previous video I showed that how you can create an Gmail account. You can watch this video from my description link below. So now I'm going to enter this name. That is. So now click on next. Here there will be an password. You have to enter your password. Just click on next. We're getting, look at here. Here is some additional requirement, as I am entering my email first time. That's why they're showing here. So if you would like to take a few moments to help Google work better for you. No, I don't need this, not now. So okay, I'm just signing with my new email address. From now you have to customize your account or your channel. So from here you have to click on YouTube Studio. So look, at first they asked you that what will be your channel name. Okay, so from here you have to select an unique name for your channel. I mean, if you choose a name, that name could be carry your video information. So, I mean, if you want to open an blog account or blog channel, then you can use your name. Like this is name, you can use your first name, Ryan. Sorry, in place like this, or you may use early walls. So you can use any kind of channel name. I think your channel name should be your video related. Like for example, I use my channel name is technical Emran. It means my channel video will be technology related, so that viewer can easily understand by saying your name, channel name. So this could be help your channel ranking. Or you have to research previously on YouTube that the same name exists on YouTube. If it exists, then you have to change something, so that if your friend search on YouTube your channel, so they can get easily. Okay, so now I'm using this name. So now click here, create channel. Just wait a moment. You can also add it a profile picture. I will add it later. I'm just showing you. Okay, welcome to YouTube Studio. Continue. Look, your studios, everything is 0. So your channel is already created. From here you can see some of options of YouTube: content, playlist, analytics, comment, and so on. Okay, so at first you have to add a channel logo or channel photos. Here you can use any kind of photos. Previously you have to edit a photo. So here is the another option, that customize channel. Now you have to go to here. Here is some features that you have to add it. Continue. Look at here, channel trailer for people who have not subscribed, features video for returning subscriber. You can add these 2 videos on your channel. Look at here, features section, short videos, uploads. So this default is better. Okay, you do not need to change anything, just you have to add it something. If you want to branding your channel, then you can here you upload a photo that showing you up your every videos on the bottom right side corner. So there you can use a branding. Here is the another option. So you have to add a short description about your channel, like I'm using channel all about family and friends, family, friends, relative, and so on. Okay, so you can add a short description so that people easily understand. So you can here edit it language. I would need your channel URL showing here. You can add links. You can add your social link on YouTube. Here is the option. So I am not showing that in this video, so this video could be long. So I will show you every single video on every features on YouTube. So I will make every single options video so that you cannot bore watching long time videos. So here is the another option that you can edit your contact information so that viewer can easily contact you. Here is the email address. So I hope you understand. No more today. Talk to you another new videos with how to customize your YouTube channel. Okay, so till then, bye bye.